In this video, we will unbox Cambium Network cnMatrix and prep the device for rack installation. After we open the box, we can see the Quick Start Guide on the top of the unit. To the side of the cnMatrix device are the power cables, the rack and mounting bracket, and screws. The cnMatrix switch can now be removed from the packaging. The switch itself is protected by styrene blocks and plastic wrap. Assembly of the cnMatrix switch is quite easy. First, we'll start by attaching the power cord to the unit itself. Attach the brackets to each side of the unit using the included screws. And now your cnMatrix device is ready for rack mounting.